Donald Trump's recent appointments of individuals of Hindu origin, such as Kash Patel, to prominent roles like FBI director, reflect his broader strategy of strengthening ties with Indian Americans and, indirectly, India. These decisions come amid a backdrop of evolving US-India relations, increasing geopolitical competition with China, and a shifting domestic political landscape. Strategic motivations. 1. Geopolitical alignment with India. Trump's tenure has been marked by a focus on India as a key ally in countering China's influence in the Indo-Pacific region. This alignment includes defense collaborations and trade agreements, bolstered by shared concerns about Beijing's regional ambitions. Appointing Hindu Americans to high-profile roles could signal continued support for India's strategic importance while appealing to the influential Indian American community. 2. Outreach to Indian American voters. Indian Americans, though historically aligned with the Democratic Party, are an emerging political force. Trump's overtures, including participation in events like Howdy Modi and strong condemnation of anti-Hindu violence globally, aim to attract this demographic. Recent polls suggest a growing shift in their support towards Trump, especially as he aligns himself with issues significant to Hindu and Indian communities. 3. Global Hindu rights advocacy. Trump's emphasis on protecting Hindu rights internationally, including in conflict zones like Bangladesh, resonates with Indian American voters and policymakers in India. His approach juxtaposes the Democratic Party's perceived lack of focus on such issues, positioning him as a champion of religious freedom and cultural values. Broader implications. The appointments of Hindu Americans to significant roles are not about replicating British colonial strategies, as speculated, but rather part of an effort to modernize US-India relations and strengthen Trump's domestic political base. By placing individuals of Indian origin in influential positions, Trump underscores a commitment to diversity that aligns with his foreign policy goals, especially regarding defense, economic partnerships, and countering China. While these appointments serve US interests, they also offer India opportunities to deepen bilateral ties, especially in technology, defense, and trade. However, concerns persist about the potential for such moves to influence Indian domestic policies or open avenues for increased penetration by US-based corporations into India's markets. Trump's strategic use of appointments involving Hindu Americans reflects a multifaceted approach to diplomacy and domestic politics. It seeks to solidify US-India relations while leveraging the Indian American community's influence to bolster his political standing. Whether this strategy yields the intended long-term benefits or raises new geopolitical challenges will depend on how these relationships evolve in the face of broader global dynamics.